Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. Today I will show you how to use Quora to promote your business. So for this, first of all, you will have to just open the Quora application on this Android device. So from here you will see the interface of this application. The public will post their questions and you will just have to answer it. So what to do, you will just give them answers of their questions. So you can more give them answers of their questions, and through the answers they will see that if you are digital creator, so you will just questioning and answering about digital creator. So Quora will be see you are the experience about digital creator. So for this you will promote it. So hope this video help you. Please don't forget to like and subscribe and get notified for more videos.